Why buy a tube lifter where you can buy a simple vacuum lifter for a fraction of the cost? Good question. That's what we're going to go through today. We have created a simple calculator where you can input your data, your numbers, and it'll spit you out the savings of a tube lifter over a simple vacuum unit. So when we're talking about a simple vacuum unit and the tube lifter is a machine that uses a tube that essentially makes the product weight-free and is a one-man job. When we talk about a simple vacuum unit, whether it's a machine or a two-man handle setup, it's always going to be a two-person job. And I had mentioned savings. We're talking about how much you're going to save in labor cost. The calculator that we'll be using today is in the description below. Please click it, open it up, utilize and put your own numbers in there as I walk through the calculator with you. Alrighty, so we're going to walk through this calculator. It's a very simple calculator, and you'll see that any yellow boxes where you're going to input your data. First, you're going to start with your labor rate. So what is your labor rate? You can say 100, you can put in 80, you can put in 70, whatever your labor rate is, or whatever you bill out hourly, you're going to put in there. Square footage per year, on average, most hardscape companies might do 10,000, 4,000, 5,000. So just put in the average square footage that you would typically do in a given year. Then you'll put in your average size paver. In this application, we put 24 by 24. Keep in mind that if you do smaller pavers, like a 4x8 or 6x6, and you do a lot of those, there are pads where we can pick rows of pavers, which would increase the square footage, but you'll be able to pick a lot more in one individual pick and get to more that 4 or 6 or even 10 square feet per pick. We have a vacuum lifter option and a tube lifter option. Like I expressed before, typically speaking, vacuum with an excavator is going to be 2 people. This could also be a two-man handle. So our Ergo Excel or Ergo Assist with a vacuum unit, which would also take 2 people. If you're using 3 people, 1 person on the pallet, 1 person on the machine, and 1 person on the field, you can put that in there and change that number of individuals, and it will change the cost there. So let's keep it at 2 people. I think that's pretty average. With the tube lifter, when set up properly, with pallets staged next to the tube lifter, it takes 1 individual to lay slabs. It's a 1-person job. And it spits out our total labor cost to install square foot per year, which is $5,500 with using a vacuum and an excavator, and it's $2,750 when using a tube lifter. So half the cost when using a tube lifter versus using 2 people, because we're talking about labor in this situation. What we also need to keep in account is that yes, you only have 1 person doing the tube lifter, but that allows the other individual to go and start the next project. That's what we call opportunity cost. So $2,750, we're also able to save an additional $2,750 because someone else is able to continue being profitable doing a different task. So that gives us a total savings of $5,500. And then we look down below here. You have the VacuLift H Mini and an all-arounder. Both are 2 options for tube lifters. The VacuLift H Mini would attach to a skid steer or a mini or macro piece of machinery like a ditch witch or an Avant or something like that. That's going to cost us $2,500 per year. It's about a $25,000 investment. It's going to last you 10 years at a minimum. Could very well last you 20, 30 years. We figure 10 years, that's $2,500 a year, and we are actually saving $5,500 in labor, and that's going right into our profit, right? So keep that in mind. The faster you can get a job done, the less amount of labor that it takes to do the job, that's going on to your profit. The all-rounder is going to cost us $5,500 a year. So even in the same exact application, we're going to break even at 10,000 square feet that we install a year, $100 hourly rate. We are going to be saving $5,500, and the cost of an all-rounder is $5,500. So we will break even. So great calculator. Encourage you to put your own data in, your own information. And then keep in mind, like I had said, the size of the pavers up top, depending on the pad, we can vary and we can make pads that will pick up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 square feet, which will allow you to increase the efficiencies with the tube lifter. The savings is really in the labor. It's one individual versus 2 individuals. So encourage you to look at this investment and make the decision for yourself. Thanks for watching.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
You can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.